It's your boy
Dashinq
Dash.
with
You feel? You don't? You will. Let's get this money. Ayo, Q. Let me get that. What's the word, man? It's Saturday, man. We out here. We been out here since like 8:30. I just wasn't recording because, I had to get my thoughts and gather it myself, man. Sometimes you need that. But, what Little Caesars got going on? I got 2 Little Caesars pickups. One is $5.50. It's a diamond for 1 mile. We got another that's $6 for 3 miles, We just go ahead and get busy the right way. We gonna record the lunch hour. We didn't record the breakfast. We was out here. We made about 20 bucks. We ain't make shit. But we out here now. Yes, all right, after them horrible pizza orders, I canceled the unassigned one and called in the support and got one. Customer canceled their order. So I got half of that order and I got a Panda Express, a 925 plus for 3.8 miles. Let's see what they got for us. I see an order up there. We got a Chipotle $5.50 for 1.5 miles. And they just added on a Burger Queen $6. I forgot the order, but I posted it. Hey, and I'm in the street challenge. I got like 5 orders out, 6. Then I get the $9 plus the next order I received. Yes, he. All right, here's the drop off. We had to drop off at Cricket. My signature. Yes, he. All right, y'all. I got that $9 street challenge. I just completed it, so I get the $9 plus this order, which is $7.05 for 4 something miles. Ooh, it's looking busy than a motherfucker. All right, we got to drop off of Mr. D, non-tipping ass D. All the kids running around the house like fucking rugrats. His nothing ass, steady slinging dick at women, throwing dick off of women, but can't even be a man. Mr. D, water shut off notice. Damn. All right, let's get this dropped off, man. Non-tipping. They order a 10.50 for 6.8 miles, and this bitch is rocking. Hopefully this weight don't be like, oh my god. Look at this motherfucking place. Look at this shit. Alright, let's go ahead. I miss my gimbal, man. Let's drop this off. Yeah, B. Yo, all right, so I got a Taco John order, and they just added on the Qdoba a $2 for 0.8 miles, man. Another damn non-tipper. But hey, man, it is what it is. I can't really decline on the sign right now. I'm backed in the corner, so we go ahead and deal with it for now. All right, man, I'm here at Qdoba picking up this non-tipper order, man. This add-on they gave me. Let's grab this shit. All right, the first order was a handed to me order, but look, we got the non-tipper right here, man. Please leave packages import store. Okay, here we go. Do you a favor. Oh, fuck. Oh, man, look at these people in there. Look. Man, there's so many. Look at them in there. Damn, man, I hope my order ready, man. All right, this is that Panda drop. Oh, I almost fell. DoorDash for caramel. I don't know, they don't even say the room. I don't know why these people do that. All right, they triple stacked me with a Starbucks. I dropped off the second order. I still got one more in the car, so this is a $3. These petty orders, man. Petty orders. Let's do it though. All right, drop off for this customer. You talking about some make sure you got everything before you drop it off here. Like, ho, excuse me.
Excuse me, bro.
Alright, they got me a stack order. The twins, Dashinq and Chipotle right next to each other. Both $4 orders. I'll post them. Y'all see them. I don't know if I took screenshots of it. Alright, here's the pickup at Chipotle's, a $4 too. Both of these orders is little fucking munchkins. Alright, but we knock them out and get them move on. Alright, here's the Dashinq drop off. Alright, we got this drop off. Alright, after those last orders, I had to decline and bob and weave a few. But I got a $10.50 for 6 miles parking orders. I just took it because I know it's kind of coming out of the slow hour. I just need to get out of the way for a little bit. Take one of these orders and you feel me. Move forward. Oh, you feel me. Alright, we got an Arby's order, man. We got a $7.50 for 3 miles. $7.50 for 3 miles. Let's grab this and keep it pushing, man. Slow down for a minute, but let's see what happens second half. Alright, I got a KFC order that came through. I was coming from that order, and I decided to turn the map on. I'm like, KFC right here. Bloop. $7.50 for 3.5 miles. Then he gave me an add-on. Yo's noodles, Yo's my shoes, sushi, something like that, but it's $6 plus for 1.5 miles. Let's get this shit. It's the second half. All right, this is the Yamato sushi. This is the what? Oh, all right, we got the chicken, KFC. There you go. How we going? How we going?
You too, man.
Yep. For the customer want me to leave it in the interest of the building. That's what I'm doing. Left it in the interest of the building. I ain't gonna sit up there. We gonna sit order right away, right away. All right, not the one I wanted. Fucking $3, 2.2 miles. But the street shit going on, so I'm gonna try to get it while it's hot. You know. All right, we got a pickup at Chuck E. Cheese, please. $6.50 plus for 1.5 miles. Let's go ahead and get busy real quick. All right. Alright, we got a Papa John's pizza, $12.75 plus for 5 miles. Let's see what the plus is about. Alright, man, I got another Papa John's pizza. $8 for 5 miles. Shit. Hey, we got a Famous Dave's order and also a crumble cookie. It's right over there. Let's get this money. I'm posting the titles because I'm zooted high as hell. I don't remember. There's the drop off.
I thought that was maybe you over there.
I was looking. I ain't wasn't sure where it was. I was going.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, y'all. My completion rate is high now, and I got a Canona's bar, $6. Chipotle order, another order as well. They coming in hot. We getting this money. Let's get it. All right, man. I got this Chipotle order. You go ahead. $6 for 1.5 miles. So grab this shit. So I got 2 orders from Freddy's Steak Burger. They told me, DoorDash is not allowed to order a Freddy's Steak Burger, so. Okay, we can't order, but I got 2 orders. One $9.50 for 4 miles and an add-on. I think it was a $6 order, but y'all know the vibe. I'll post it. But yeah, let's go ahead and waiting on this order. Let's go drop it off. Move on to the next one. Okay, here you go. All right. You got that?
Thank
Hey, how we going?
Thanks, you too.
All right, that Freddy's. They fired my nigga Freddy the other day, man, from work. He got into an argument with a racist guy. Poor Freddy. All right, man, I got a Taco Bell, $5 for 1.5 miles, man. I hope they give me an add-on, but so far, nothing. All right, Peak Pay active. We got a $7 for 2.2 miles. B-Dubs order. Let's get it. You feel me? Look at that, open sesame. Like I like it. All right, we got a B-Dubs order. You feel me? B-Dubs. You already know what we do. Clean up. This is a $10.50 for 6 miles. Then we got an $8 plus Applebee's what I gotta pick up. There's that B-Dub pick up to grab this shit and go. All right, it's so dark. Here's the Applebee's drop off. You can see it in the dark still. I should turn my flashlight on. All right, here's the drop off for the B-Dubs. You Eric? Yep. Here you go. Hey, yo, I got an order from Wild Burgers, but we know that's B-Dubs or one of their chains or whatever. They pop-up restaurants. $9 for 3 miles, 3.5 miles. Hopefully give me an add-on, man. They've been playing with those. All right, after some juking and jiving, I got rid of a non-tipper. I unassigned them. It was a Arby's order, and I'm like, man, they sent me that order right back. Matter of fact, I unassigned them, and so now I got my Taco Bell. This is $7 for, I don't know the mileage, y'all. I forgot.
Hey, bro, come on now, dawg.
But then we got a Burger King, too. A $6 for 1.4 miles, so let's grab these and ease on down the road. And down to the last one here, Taco Bell drop. Had to unassign a few to get, cause they make me want to wait. Keep making me wait. A $9 and a $7 one. Gotta order this.
Head east and make a U-turn.
Gotta pick up at Arby's and grab this. $7 for 2.7 miles. Let's grab it.
Turn left onto 1st Street South, then your destination will be on the left.
I got a DoorDash order. All right, let's.